SAT geometry tricks. Okay, as you see here, we have a figure consists of 4 circles, square inside it. Let's read it quickly. In a square ABCD above, vertices ABCD are the centers of 4 equal circles with radius 1. So, radius 1. Underline the radius 1. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, what is that? It's so easy question. How? What is the area of the shaded region? Okay, let's see what's around this area. What's surrounding this area is a small square and 4 quarters of a circle. Okay, so simply 4 quarters of a circle, all of them equals what? Equals 1 circle. So simply if we subtracted the square minus the 4 parts of the circle, which equals 1 circle, what will be left? The area of the shaded region. That's it. It's done now. Okay. What's the area of the square? Area of the square side by side. What's the side of the square? Okay, look here. We said that the radius of each circle equals 1. So here we have 2 radii equals 2. So what will be the area of the square? 4, of course. So if I start by 4, I'm gonna cancel number D and I will cancel number A, of course. What will be left? Either B or C. Fine. 4 minus the area of 1 circle. The radius is 1. So area of circle pi r squared. Pi times 1, which is pi. So this will be, number C will be the right answer. It's as easy as that.